Hello everyone. In previous sections, we discussed how password encrypt work using the multi-port encoding and how email integration implemented using Java Mail by sending the OTPs. And today we are going to take the next important step in our project, customer login backend with OTP verification. Okay. In this section, I will explain how to log in the process and work behind the sections included. Validating the customer email and password for the database and generating a secure 6-digit OTP using the login and sending that OTP to have user registration mail and verify the OTP entered by the user and creating a login session after successfully verification and finally redirect to the customer to home page. In this process, added an extra layer of security and ensuring the only verified user can access the system. By the end of this class, you will clearly understand how a secure login flow with OTP verification works in real-time web application using JSP and Java. Got it? In previous section, we discussed the password encryption and email integration, right? First of all, I will share my screen. I will open my Eclipse. Here I am again explaining email integration, how we will create this code. Okay. Here, final string send email and final sender password. First, we will check the whether data is successfully inserted into data or not. If condition, using if condition. After we are sending the email to the credentials, there are the admin email credentials used to send the email. Here, sender email means from which email we will send the message. Here, sender password means app password, not Gmail password. For the note, we should learn. We use app password because Gmail does not allow the direct password access in the Java application. Got it? Then after we are sending the message like this is a message subject and the title of this mail their user will be seen in the index box. After that we are sending the message body. This is the as per message sent to the customer. Got it? After that we will configure the HTMP SMTP SMTP. This configuration mail, Gmail mail server settings. Here, SMTP dot author is enable the authorization, and here SMTP dot host is server, and here SMTP dot port is Gmail port number. Okay. Then after, we will creating the session, mail session. This creates a mail session using the sender credentials. It verifies the Gmail login and the authentication sender email and password. Okay. After that, here we are creating the email object. Message equal to new mini message and session 1. This creates an email message object. After, we set for the address. Got it? Here we are set for the address, like email address. Here we can set the receipt email. Set customer email address like a receiver. Okay. After that, we will set the object, subject. Here we are adding the email subject line. Okay. Then after, we are adding the email body content here, text. Okay. Then we will send the email to customer here, transport dot send message. If inserted successfully, then we will receive the register successfully confirmation message. Okay, this is how we are integrate the email in our code. Then here we use the encoded password for the base 64 using text, plain text to bitwise text we stored in database. Okay, this password we will store in database. Now what we will do, we will go to the customer login and we create the customer backend page. Okay. Now we will go to the project and we will create the customer login backend. While login, we customer can verify the OTP, then redirect to the customer homepage. Okay. Here you should go to the customer login. Here you should create the customer login details. You can give the action called customer login details.jsp and you should create this file. Then finish. Here you should import the packages like page import. We need to add the packages here like java.mysql.start, then after java.utility.start, then java.util.base64. Because we are storing the password in base64, right? That's why we take the, we can import the base64 here. then Java X dot mail dot start and Java X dot mail dot internet dot start. Okay, these packages we are imported because we will use this packages. This is for data operation, and this is for random number utilities, and this is for password encryption encoded, and this is for send email OTP. After that, we will include the head links. Then after we can include the connection file, because we are connecting JSP file to MySQL, right? So we should give the connection file. Then after give the slipplet tags. Then you can give the try and catch for exception handling. Okay, this is for exception handling. After that, here we can get the user input, string email equals to request dot get parameter. Here we can view the user entered name. You can copy the name and you can paste over here. Then after string password equals to request dot get parameter. And here you can give the passwords from the forms. Here user entered email and password in the form, login form, and JSP collect them from the form request. Okay, here JSP are collecting the form request. After that we can string encoded password equals to base 64 dot get encoder then encode to string and you can use the password dot get with, and you can give the interior workspace. What this is doing, it's converting the password into base 64 format, and this is not strong encrypted, just encoding the password. Okay, in this line we are converting password into base 64 encoded format. Got it? After that, we will check the login in database. Okay, you can view the prepare statement then, and view the object and connect the connection file, and view the connect and view the prepare statement. Here you can write the query. What we are doing, we are selecting the customer details where email and password. Here you can view the placeholder email and you can view the password placeholder. Okay. Here in this query, what we are doing here, we are checking the existing database with email or password is present or not. Okay. Then after what we will do, we can set that placeholder. PS dot set string 1 comma 8 after PS dot set string 2 comma password. Then after we will write the result set, because of we will store this in query rs dot execute query. Okay. After, if login is correct or not, we will verify. Then what we will do, we can view the form and from if rs equal rs dot next, in that you can, here we are checking the user is found or login details are correct or not. Once if it is correct, we will send the OTP to generate the OTP. So here you can do int OTP is equal to new random dot next in, and here you can view the numbering. So here you can view the capital R, and here you can view the numbering like 6 digits. Then you can view the plus Okay, and give the here we are generating the 6-digit OTP. Okay, for example, 1 2 3 4 5 6, like 9 8 7 6 5 4. Like this, we are creating the 6-digit OTP. After we will say the OTP in we can save the OTP in database. Okay. Here you can give the prepare statement. PS is equal PS2 is equal to on dot prepare statement, and in this you can view the update customer set OTP is equal to question mark, and where we can saving that where email is equal to question mark. Okay, here you can set that question mark like placeholder. PS2 dot set string and view the 1 comma string dot value of, and you can give the OTP. Okay, then after you can place the you can set the email like 2 comma email. What we are doing here, we are updating, right? So you can give the PS2 dot execute update. Okay, we are updating the OTP in customer table. So now you will go to the here what we will do, we can modify the we can add the OTP in customer table, right? So alert alter table name is customer, and add OTP varchar 10. Okay, you can run this. Okay, now we will check the table, is it there or not. Here we added the OTP, right? Now you will go to the code. After OTP store in customer table, use it later for the validation. Okay, then after what we will do, we will configure the email setup. Okay, like you can give the final string sender email equals to, you can give the email and password what you created. Okay, this is my email. Then after final string, and you can send the password. Here you can give the password like app password, you can give here. So you go to the notepad again, you can copy this password and you can paste over here. Okay, got it? Here email account used to send the OTP email, and here app password is used for normal passwordation. Then after we can set up with SMTP properties. Okay, here you can view the properties. Cross and view the new properties. Then after cross dot put mail dot smtp cd dot auth, and after that you can give the semicolon and you can give the true and give the semicolon. After that you can give the proc dot put, and here you can give the mail dot smtp dot start starters dot enable, and after that you can give the true. Okay, what we are doing means here we are setting the SMTP properties. Okay, from dot put, and here you can use the mail dot SMTP dot host, and here you can view the SMTP dot gmail dot com. Okay, after that crop dot put, and here you can give the mail dot smtp dot port, and then after you can give the port number here 587 and give the semicolon. Okay, what we are do here means we are configure the email server and enable the secure email send. Okay, then after we will create the mail session. So view the session, mail session is equal to session dot get input string You get instant, and here you can give the props, comma, new java x dot mail dot authentication, authenticator, and give the semicolon and give the curly bracket. Then here what we will do, protected password authentic authentication and get password. So now you can give the server. Here you can give the return new password authentication and you can give the sender email and sender password. Okay. Here logs into the Gmail using the credentials and prepare the email session. After we will create the email message. So you can create the message. Message is equal to new. Okay. And you can view the mail session. Okay. And you can view the message dot set form, and you can view the new enter internet address. And here you can view the sender email. Then after message dot set receipt recipient, and here you can view the message dot recipient receipt type dot table. Okay, you can view the comma. Here you can view the internet address dot casa, and we can view the email. You can view the semicolon here. Use the capital R. Okay. Thereafter you can use the message dot set subject, and here you can give the message like login OTP verification. Okay. Then message dot set text, and here you can give the your OTP for login. Please, here we can send the OTP. Okay. We are set the from email to email subject and message. Okay. After that, we will send the email. Then what we will write? Transport dot send message. Got it? We are sending the message to OTP for user email. Here we store the email in session. So here we can store the session. Set session dot set attribute, and here you can give the OTP email. Then here you can give the email. Okay. After we will redirect to the customer verify login OTP page. Okay, here you can respond dot send redirect response dot send redirect. Here you can view the file name customer verify login OTP dot JSP. Okay, then what we will do? We will view the else, and here you can view the scriptlet tags and close, and you can open, and here in the middle you can view the JSP code and view the script and alert, and here you can view invalid email or password. Okay, then we will redirect to the JSP include. Here you can view the page name. We can redirect to the customer login page. Okay, what we will do here, user enter the email and password, and here password was encrypted by base64. After we will check the data validation. If data is entered, we will validate the OTP, and we will generate the OTP and save the OTP in database and send the OTP in email and redirect to the OTP page. Then after, if password and email is not correct, we will give the invalid credentials from the error. Okay, this is login backend. Now we will create the customer verify login OTP page. Here we can verify the OTP. So now this will be seen tomorrow. For today, we will see only customer login backend. Okay, tomorrow we will see the form of OTP verification and backend. Thank you.